Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Code with Mind. We have an exciting topic to discuss: types of AI. Before we get started, let us clarify what exactly artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem solve like humans. Now, let us explore the different types of AI. 1. Narrow AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to AI systems designed to perform specific tasks with a high level of proficiency. These AI systems are limited to a particular domain and lack general human-like intelligence. Examples of narrow AI include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation algorithms used by streaming platforms, and chatbots used in customer service. 2. General AI, also known as strong AI, represents the concept of AI systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains, similar to human intelligence. This type of AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. However, achieving true general AI is still a goal for future advancements. 3. Superintelligent AI also refers to AI systems that surpass human intelligence in virtually every aspect. These systems possess cognitive capabilities that far exceed human capabilities. While superintelligent AI is purely theoretical at the moment, it holds significant potential for transforming society and various industries, including healthcare, finance, and scientific research. Number 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models, enabling computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data, without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns, make predictions, and continuously improve their performance with more data. 4. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning inspired by the structure and function of the human brain's neural networks. Deep learning algorithms use multiple layers of artificial neural networks to process and analyze complex data. It has revolutionized various fields, including image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. So far, we have discussed some of the major types of AI, but it's important to note that AI is a rapidly evolving field. Researchers and developers are continually exploring new approaches, techniques, and applications to enhance AI capabilities. Now moving on to conclusion. That brings us to the end of today's video on the types of AI. We hope this overview helped you understand the different types of AI and their applications. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.